There is no better location than one that is here at Sunnybrook. Completely private, secluded, and backed up to acres and acres of woods and a wonderful jogging trail at Tribble Park. The park that goes around a large lake fully stocked with fish and other fun things to catch for the kids. But don't keep any ducks. There is a top-notch playground with a swing set, merry-go-round, and other playground fun. The home, an exceptionally maintained property with a newer roof, high-efficient HVAC system and award-winning nest system. Enjoy durable and smooth seamless wood floors throughout, and a kitchen that looks out to the outdoor living space and swimming pool. The swimming pool is easy to maintain with an automatic chlorine system. Need a workshop? The garage has plenty of space for the workshop cave as well as a large fenced-in yard. The master bedroom has smooth flowing wood floors and an ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower. Located just a few blocks from the Armstrong Georgia Southern campus, as well as the Hoover Creek boat ramp. It is a great coastal community home. Quick and convenient to the Savannah Mall, Hunter Army Airfield, and the Publix shopping center. Location